Hola clase. Today we begin Module 9. And Module 9 is one of the important ones in Spanish 101 because we start to compare and contrast preterite and imperfect, which are two aspects of the past tense in Spanish. So the vocabulary that we've chosen for you for this unit is memorable experiences in the past. Because when we're talking about the past, we'll be using preterite and imperfect in Spanish. So let's see here some other possibilities for talking about memorable experiences. Ir de excursión. Ir de excursión is to go on a field trip. So probably if you attended elementary school, high school, you had field trips to a museum, to a park, to a zoo. If you played in the orchestra or the band in high school, you would have traveled as well to Disneyland or some other competitions. So that's one memorable experience you can work on. Others are, for example, traveling abroad, viajar al extranjero. If you and your family took a trip to Asia or Africa or Europe, maybe you can talk about that as well. Otros, participar en club deportivo. Mudarse a una nueva escuela. If your family changed residence and you had to go to a new school, that would have been a memorable experience as well. Graduarse, fiestas, vacaciones, etc. So these are just some ideas. Of course, for your personal experience, you may look up other events. Some experiences with the family, viajar, ir a las montañas, ir a la playa. Maybe your family had a tradition on extended vacation, like summer vacations. Maybe you would always go to the mountains, or maybe you would always go to the beach. So you can talk about that. Or if you had winter vacations and you went skiing, bien. Nacimiento y muerte también. Expresiones del tiempo. This is so that you can describe what the day was like, weather-wise, when you're talking about some event in the past. Todos los veranos, cada verano de niño, etc. And adjectives. So all of this together, this vocabulary will help you, at least on the vocabulary side, prepare for your paragraphs, spoken and written, once we start learning the preterite and imperfect a little bit later in this module. And so keep that in mind, that this has a future purpose within the same module. Be sure to practice on Quizlet and then do your exercises. Bien, hasta la próxima clase.